Introducing iMate, the ultimate companion for all Apple devices. Revolutionary. Plug and sync all of your favorite Apple devices at the same time. Apple Watch charging, certified by Apple. With iMate dual Type-C power delivery docking station. Exceptional power solution. 2-port USB. USB-C primary. Charge 3 times faster. Compatible with all Apple devices. Dual Type-C, 10 GB S data speed with PD fast charge. Quick transfer, flawless data transfer that's even faster than you can blink. Ultra compact with powerful built-in features. There's no need to pack along multiple adapters, dongles and hubs when you're on the road with iMate.
Our ways of listening to music have evolved through time. But in pursuit of the best audio, we've been limited at a listening sweet spot. What if we can expand the sweet spot? What if we can create a sweet zone where you can roam freely and still enjoy the best sound in every corner? Meet Upstage 360, the 360-degree high-res smart speaker that gives you the ultimate audio quality in an enveloping soundstage. Supported by audio industry leader Sound Matters, Upstage 360 is equipped with 8 drivers, and it integrates 3-way audio into one simple setup. Covering an ultra-wide frequency range of 40 Hz to 40 kHz, it accurately reproduces all the audio details with high-resolution quality. With the patented ball cone acoustic reflection design, Upstage 360 distributes uniform sound waves that fills the room with the best sound. Hey Alexa, play my favorite song. It is also compatible with Echo Dot, Chromecast, and wireless streaming. Let music charge up your life and help you concentrate, relax, calm your spirit, and even sleep better. We believe music is an inseparable part of life. Upstage 360 merges all the best qualities in one and invites you to explore the next level audio enjoyment together.
Introducing the Genie, the first device that makes Alexa practical in your car and outdoors. It can also be used with Siri for iPhone users.
Alexa, set home temperature to 72 degrees.
Setting home temperature to 72 degrees.
Hello, Genie.
Text from John. Looking forward to tonight. See you soon.
Okay, Google, send text to John.
What's the message?
I'm stuck in traffic. I'll be 10 to 15 minutes late.
Got it. Do you want to send it?
Yes.
Okay. Message sent.
Okay, Google, find alternate route home.
Your home is 33
By giving you
minutes
access
from
to the strengths and features of both Alexa and OK Google, Genie empowers you to do more on the go. In addition to always-on mode, which allows you to speak directly to whichever assistant you want, touch and talk mode gives you ultimate battery life.
Turn on the lights.
Okay.
Ask August to unlock the front door.
I've asked August to unlock the front door.
Genie's battery lasts up to 7 to 10 days in touch and talk mode, and up to a day in always-on mode. If you touch both at the same time, you toggle between always-on or touch and talk mode.
Alexa, reorder shampoo.
The top search result for shampoo is Art Naturals shampoo. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Thanks. Order placed.
Okay, Google, play music. Hello?
Hey man, we're still going to Capitol, right?
Hey, yeah, I'm getting ready. I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Cool, see you there.
See ya, man. Alexa, ask Lyft for a ride.
The nearest Lyft driver is 3 minutes away from your home. Should I call you a Lyft?
Yes.
With Genie, all of your favorite voice assistants are with you wherever you go.
Introducing Intech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. Intech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. Intech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, Intech Stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. Intech, 4K just got portable.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Justin, and for the past year, our team has been working on creating the best fidget toy in the world. This is Fidget Power, the world's only fidgeting device that charges your electronics. With Fidget Power, you get 10 awesome buttons and switches, plus powerful internal battery storage that can charge up your smartphone, give your tablet hours of extra use, or supply power to nearly any USB chargeable device. For the first time ever, you can simultaneously charge your favorite device as you click, twist, slide, roll, and mash, all in one ultra-portable package. And let's not forget about the optional magnet. It makes everything so much more fun. Backers get to choose from a bunch of sweet color options.
Meet the GOOLOO G2000, the lightest, most powerful car jump starter that can start any 12-volt car up to 40 times. It can also jump start this and this. And did we mention these? While it's slim and lightweight enough to come along for the ride, don't let its size fool you. This is not your regular car jump starter. It's your all-weather companion, a helping hand when you need it most, and a portable battery that can charge all your devices at once at up to 4 times this speed. It'll even work if your car battery is totally flat. And don't worry about getting out of your car to get it going. It can charge from the cigarette lighter output instead, so it's always convenient wherever you are. Its unique smart cable makes it easier to use than the competition too, self-diagnosing the battery status and walking you through the process step by step to get your car up and running quickly. You know, that save the day kind of stuff, There's even a torch for emergencies, every kind of emergency. Once you're home, plug the G2000 in and it's good to go again in 4 hours. One charge will last up to 3 months, so it's ready to help out whenever you need it. Such attention to detail comes down to GOOLOO's experience in the industry. We sold one of our jump starters every second on Black Friday. You can check out our Amazon reviews to see why. We listen to what our users want in a flagship product, and after thousands of hours of research, the G2000 is the result. Don't wait until you need the G2000. Buy it now and secure your peace of mind today.